Security could be the most neglected IT service with small and medium-sized business. With hackers attacking with ransomware, Trojans, spam, viruses, phishing attacks, DDoS bombs. Just naming a few tactics waging war with your company's network. To combat these attacks, we provide disaster recovery and backup solutions, managed detection and response, as well as managed firewall services. With endpoint security, keeping your servers and workstations healthy and secure, to name a few. With the best of the best security experts to construct the strongest solutions for your company, keeping your unique applications in mind. Having access to certified security engineers and IT service technicians across Linux, Windows, Cisco, Google Cloud, AWS, VMware, Microsoft, Oracle and SAP, just to name a few, will give you all the confidence that you are in good hands. With the challenges of maintaining a full IT staff and meeting budget cut expectations, let us be your one-stop IT shop for your security needs. We can quote multiple vendors so you don't have to, keeping your focus on priority projects. Whether it is to save money, or fix what is broken, or future-proof your business, we are here for you. To set up an appointment, please click on my calendar button for an initial consultation.